Alright, so look at this little box of goodies. There's going to be a lot of fun in this one. So let's start with the pen kits that I ordered. I got 2 Dragon Twist pen kit, one with antique pewter and one with antique brass. So I'm not too sure if you can see, but I got the dragon scales, and the center of the pen has like the dragon claws wrapping around it. This one's going to be awesome. It's going to be lots of fun. I do believe they're going to turn out really nice. So for the pen blanks that I ordered for these two, I've got the Mossy Stone and Tiger's Eye. I'm going to use the Mossy Stone with the antique pewter, and for the antique brass, I believe this is a nice color to go with that. Matches the brass. And here is the Mossy Stone for the antique pewter. I believe these are going to be awesome. Can't wait to turn those. It's going to be lots of fun. Another kit I ordered is the Deer Hunter Bolt Action Pen Kit. So it's pretty neat. I already made one before for a friend of mine. So here's another one. It's basically got the deer head, and it's 30 caliber bolt action to bring the pen down. Lots of fun. I'm gonna have fun with that one. And I think I'm going to use this Mossy Oak. It's Ancient Bog Oak is what it's called. It's from the Ukraine, and it comes with a certificate of authenticity. It dates the wood to be 5,500 years old. So that's really cool. I like that they included that with this. So I think that's going to turn out nice with the bolt action pen is what I'm going to use for this one. Just a couple other blanks that I purchased here. What are these ones? These are Black Palm. They were on sale. So I got a bundle of those, I think 5 of them. And check out the grain on the inside there. Look at that. Isn't that something? That's really neat. It's very splintery, so I think I'll be using some CA glue during the turning process of this one, but really neat. I think these are going to turn out real nice. I also purchased just some velvet cases to put them in, so when I'm sending them off, if I don't make a case for them, I can just send them off in these. These were really cheap, and it's nice to have something to cover them up during shipping. In this one, again, this is Bethlehem. Let me take a look here. This one also comes with a certificate of authenticity, and it's Bethlehem Holy Land Olive Wood. And it's got a really interesting grain to it. Look at that. Isn't that something? Not too sure which pen kit I'm going to use with this one, but it's going to turn out nice. And once again, I really like these certificate of authenticities. It's really neat that they send that. Also the deluxe pen mill combo. So it's got 3/4 inch cutter head, and then 7mm shaft, 8mm, 2764, 3/8, 10mm, 15/32. So that covers quite a few pen kits. Most of the ones that I turn have these diameters, so that's going to be neat. I've never tried CA finish. I've seen it quite a few times. Turns out really nice. So I got myself the bushings, plastic bushings that I can use if I choose to do a CA finish. Then they won't stick to the steel ones provided. Really neat. Oh, and also for the gun kits, I purchased these awesome little miniature gun cases, like I don't know, it's really neat. And this one here, I've already put in the one that I made prior. It's got the camo blank that I turned. That one's really neat. So this is what the deer bullet pen kit looks like. It's pretty cool. I like it. And the cases are awesome. I can't go wrong with that. That's gonna make a nice gift. And then last but not least, I've seen people use a polishing system for the end product, and I bought this. It just hooks onto the lathe. It's got 3 different elements to put on for buffing out, and apparently it leaves a nice gloss finish. So that'll be interesting to use. Never used that before, so I'm thinking it's going to be nice. All this stuff, all these little goodies. So yeah, made a quick video of this, and I shall make more. I think my dragon pen is going to be the first one I'm going to make. It looks really cool. All right, thanks for watching.